So I'm back. We're gonna make those sweet rolls now. I have my flour, I've got 2 tablespoons of honey, 3 tablespoons of butter, a cup of whole milk. Really, I put 2% and a little bit of heavy cream in there since it's 2%. I need a pinch of salt, active dry yeast, and an egg, and 2 cups of flour. That's the recipe for the sweet rolls. I was looking to see if you have to prepare these. They're not mini bundt pans, but they're 2 medium-sized bundt pans. How long is that? What do you need per scale? Here's a banana per scale. These are 6.5-inch bundt pans. So they're not much bigger than 5-inch bundt pans. And I have 2 of these, so that should make up the difference. I'm not gonna prepare them. I'm just gonna pour right in because the recipe doesn't call for that. And then in the large bowl, we're gonna combine the butter, the warm milk, and the honey, stirring until the honey has dissolved. This is not warm milk, it's actually pretty cold. So I'm gonna heat it up for just a minute or 2 in the microwave. So we're gonna go ahead and get our butter in here. 3 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of honey and butter. That's how you make honey butter. Okay, our milk is warm now. So it's gonna be a cup of whole milk is what the recipe calls for. It says to whisk, stirring until honey has dissolved. Then you add the pinch of salt and the 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast. Here's our pinch of salt. 2 1/4 teaspoons, so. Okay. Followed by the egg. So let's poke that yolk. And 2 cups of flour. So I'm just gonna dump it right in there. It's gonna make a batter. We'll just keep the whisk. Mix completely until you have a smooth batter. Looks smooth enough to me. Spoon evenly into 4 5-inch miniature bundt pans. There's no sugar in this, so it shouldn't stick. This isn't a cake. This is a roll, and so I think this is made to do this. So we're going to try to pour in half of it here and half of it there, and we'll see how well this turns out. It does say spoon evenly, but I'm going to do this. This will rise after I let it sit, so. That looks pretty even to me. So we're gonna let them sit for 30 minutes to rise. While we're letting them rise, I'm gonna go ahead and make the cream cheese frosting so I can have it set aside. It's 3 tablespoons instead of 2. It's 3 tablespoons of cream cheese, 1 tablespoon of butter, and it's been softened, but I'm just gonna go ahead and squish it up a little more. I think I'm just gonna use this bowl. Cream together the cream cheese, butter, and powdered sugar in a small bowl. So we're going to dump that in, which is a half a cup of powdered sugar. It's a very small bowl. Gradually add just enough heavy cream to get a smooth, thick icing that barely runs off a spoon. I'm going to stir it with that much. So that's a pretty thick icing. What's up, Monty? And then you do a little more here. Smooth and thick icing, barely running off the spoon. You know where that's going to go. Right on top of those sweet rolls. So we're going to let them rise a little bit longer, and then we're going to come back and bake them for 15 minutes. I'm gonna preheat my oven 5 minutes before they were done rising. He has risen, and I'm gonna go ahead and start the oven at 350. So we'll be right back after this message. There's a sweet roll. There's a sweet roll. See, they are really big. I need a jug of milk, a sack of flour, butter, and a chicken's egg, and a salt pile. I already have salt pile. That has more ingredients. There you go. That's what our sweet roll looks like in the game. There. We're gonna let them cool. For 5 minutes, let cool, and then we can tip it out of the pan. Oh, he's still hot. You want to get them out while they're warm. Try your hand at a magic trick. Nice. Nice. You're gonna let them cool completely here. Oh my God, this looks so good. It looks like just like the video game. It looks like a cartoon. Okay, next one. Monty, get away from the sweet roll. It is not yours. Not your sweet roll. You want to sit there though? Good boy. Monty? Monty, tell them good night. Hey. Monty, tell them good night, Beba. Say thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye. Bye, Monty. I poke you. I'm gonna eat a slice of this. We did it.